We need ginger, peel off it, grate it, we need 1 lemon, grate the lemon peel, take it in a glass, add boiled water, mix it well, cover the mixture for 20 minutes. Strain it. Cut the lemon into 2 slices. Take the lemon juice. We need 1 apple. Cut the apple into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need a banana. Peel off it. Cut the banana into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Now take it in a blender. Add a spoon of coffee. Add lemon juice. Add a cup of ginger and lemon water. Add a glass of water. Use blending machine to blend it well. Take the drink in a glass. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to follow our page. Thanks for watching.